Okay, good morning class or good afternoon. So, welcome to my channel again. And then I will discuss how I grade my class now. So, the biggest problem with a professor is trying to grade each individual student. So, for example, in a class, there are 55 students and sometimes there are 70 students in a class. So, can you imagine the job of how to check each class that has a 70 population of students or 55? So, I devised a strategy for my students to be autonomous in grading, so that also they would know their class standing. So how does it go, no? So at the back of your notebook, I like you to come up with this kind of column. No, you put your name here, and then on this column will be the date. Say for now is September 6. Now, this column here represents an activity or a thing that I'm asking you to do. For example, A stands for attendance. So the denominator, this one, tells the total points that you should accumulate or as a credit. For attendance, if you attend my class, you have a 1 point. Okay. Now, P stands for participation. Say the highest participation, you answer the question, you raise a question, not only answer but also be active in the discussion, you get 10 points. Then if you your answer is probably good at 8, then your 8 will be your score here. For the quiz, the column here is the Q stands for the quiz. So the item is 20 and you got 18. And then ACT is the activity. For example, post in the Facebook your answer. So persons who posted have a 100 score, total score. And then my assessment is 90. Okay. Hypothetically, that's the idea. Then another activity is the reporting. If I ask my students to report, so the highest is 100, and then you total all. For example, on September 6, you total all the things that has transpired. Attendance, you have participated, you have a quiz, you have an activity, you have a report. So total all of them represents the denominator. So it's 231. Now, to get your class standing for the day, you total all the numerator. This is the numerator. The numerator stands for your total score for the day. So 1 plus 8 plus 18 plus 90 plus 100, so equals to 17. Now, to get your class standing, you divide what you got to the total score, which is 231, and that is 0.9393. To get the percentage, multiply it by 100, and 93.94 is the result. So the transputational grade probably would lie around 1.5. So at the end here, for September 6 is 1.5. So an example again, this is for you what to do, no? I want you to put this in your notebook. Okay, so the answer, for example, in this case, September 13, the student attended the class and he was present, so he got 1 point. He participated and he got a 7 from me, no? And then a quiz, he got a perfect score. An activity, he got a 90. And reporting, he got 100. Now tell me the total score of this, okay, and the transportational grade and the percent. So tell me post it in FB. Okay, what is the answer? Okay, so this will be your job. Okay, you have to post the answer on B on Facebook. And if you have any questions, you could shout it out in our FB page. Okay, bye. See you.